the savage. And she know she with the savage.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Wagwan. You can go on ahead and subscribe down below. So I'm already prepared for you guys, and for today's video I'll be trying hair from RPGhair.com, and for today's tutorial I'm going all curly. Y'all know I love a good curly hair. So this curly hair is 18 inches, it's 180% density, and it's a deep curly hair. So this hair, it's already plucked. It came pre-plucked, but I plucked it a little bit more just so the hair lining looks a little bit more natural. I also washed it and I bleached the lace for about 20 minutes, and then I put some mousse in the hair, and that is basically all that I did to prep the hair. And if you want to see how I like prep or maintain curly hair, I should have a video on my channel already how I do that, and I will leave the link down below for you guys. Also, if you want to see how I do the ball cap method, I have a video on that as well, so I'll also leave the link for that video for you guys. So I have my cap on, it's already glued down, it's tacked down. Yeah, we're ready to go. So before cutting the lace off of the wig, I just want to try it on my head to see how it's fitting, where I'm going to need to cut. So this is how the wig looks on my head before we cut the lace, and it is a 360 wig, so you definitely could put it up in one after you glue it down properly and the whole works. But today we're just focusing on the front. I want it to be a slick back type of look. So I just want to show you guys the lining so far before I glue it down. And also what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of powder on the lace itself just to darken it a little bit more to a medium brown. So after I washed the hair, this is the mousse that I used, and that's what left the hair really shiny. It kept the curls together. As you can see, there's not any frizz. The hair curls are well controlled, and so far I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm just gonna cut off the lace, and then we're gonna get to gluing and tacking down the wig. Now that my lace is off and this is how inside the wig is looking, I'm going to apply this medium brown translucent powder onto the lace of the wig before I actually glue it down. And I'm going to apply it directly to the lace, just like that. You can see the difference with here and over this side. So that's the difference, and I'm going to put it all over, then we're going to tack down the wig. Now I'm just showing you guys how the wig is looking before I actually tack it down. And as you can see, the lace is a little bit brighter than I wanted to, so I might have to create a little bit of baby hair just to disguise the lace a little bit more. So we're going to do that afterwards. Okay, now to tack down the lace, I'll be using the Got To Be styling gel or styling glue gel thingamajig, whatever. And I like using this because it's the least harmful to my edges. I mean, I haven't really tried anything else, but I'm very protective over my edges, and yeah, this has worked great for me because I like to take off my wigs at night, so I don't mind it not being the strongest gel out there or glue out there. But if you want to try a different glue, if you wear your wig throughout the week, like if you just want it to stay, you can try like Ghost Bond glue and other brands. But for me, with liking to remove my wig whenever I feel like, if it's just for a day wear or whatever, this gel is perfect for me. So I'm just gonna put it at the edge here. So I'm taking a very thin layer, I'm not even using a lot. And I'm gonna just start with the middle before I go to the sides, just to make sure that it's tacked down properly. So let's start with the front. Now to make sure that it's fully dried, I'm just gonna blow dry it on medium heat or warm air, so you know it doesn't burn my forehead or whatever. So we're just gonna blow dry it for a couple seconds. Okay, just to show you guys, so that is fully tacked down for now. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other sides and then show you guys how to do this baby hair situation. Okay guys, now that the lace is fully laid, we need to fix it up so it doesn't look so scary, you know what I'm saying? So I've decided to do a little bit of baby hair just to disguise the lace a little bit more. And this is one of the reasons why you might not need to bleach your lace too long, because you don't want it to look too ashy when it's time to actually lay the lace down. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of hair from the front here to create those baby hair, and I want it to be super thin because I don't want it to look tacky and extra. So I'm just going to take a little bit of hair. So I'm gonna start with this side. So now that I have the hair out that I want to cut, I'm going to take a scissors just to make it a little bit shorter so that it lays better. I'm going to try to lay it with some of the mousse. Use a little bit. Put it back this way. Now if you're wearing makeup, you want to be super careful. And now that I have the formation of the baby hair with the mousse, I'm just going to take a little bit of the Got2b glue. And the reason why I don't use the Got2b glue to lay the baby hairs while I have on makeup is because the Got2b glue tend to move my makeup, and I don't want my makeup to get trashed out. So you can also do this before actually applying your makeup. I don't want anything too scary, you know? Okay guys, now that I have attempted to create some baby hairs, I'm just going to take this dark or black eyeshadow rather and try to make the lace a little bit darker. I'm just gonna take a little bit, a dab, and just put it around the perimeter so my lace doesn't look so bald. Now I use a little bit of mousse just to touch up the curls a little bit more. Okay guys, so this is basically it for the look. Comment down below what you think about this hair. All the details and the link for the hair will be in my description box. Now it is time for today's featured subscriber of the video, and it goes to Stacy and Simpson. Thank you so much for being an OG supporter. Thank you so much for being here when the videos are posted. Now if you want to be a featured subscriber in my next video, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, have your post notifications on, and also spam the comment section so that I may feel your love. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @damnthatschev. I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.